1. Prevailing, adjective, existing or most common at a particular time. Synonyms: predominant, rampant. Antonyms: peculiar, limited. Example sentence: the bank said it will buy the shares at the prevailing market price. 2. Contender, noun, someone who takes part in a competition. Synonyms: challenger, competitor. Antonyms: dropouts, awardees. Example sentence: her trainer said yesterday that she would be a strong contender for a place on the national team. 3. Stark, adjective, empty, simple. Synonyms: harsh, grim. Antonyms: pleasant, comfortable. Example sentence: a barren desert or a room with no furniture or curtains is stark. 4. Inexplicable, adjective, that cannot be explained. Synonyms: unaccountable, baffling. Antonyms: comprehensible, understandable. Example sentence: his behavior was extraordinary and inexplicable. 5. Replicated, verb, copy or repeat something. Synonyms: clone, duplicate. Antonyms: originate. Example sentence: researchers tried to replicate the original experiment. 6. Antipathy, noun, a strong feeling of dislike. Synonyms: antagonism, enmity. Antonyms: esteem, appreciation. Example sentence: she'd often spoken of her antipathy towards London. 7. Citadel, noun, any strongly fortified place, stronghold. Synonyms: fortress, castle. Antonyms: cabin, shack. Example sentence: guards hid the royal family in a secret room in the citadel during the invasion. 8. Stakes, a monetary or commercial interest in something. Synonyms: spike, stave. Antonyms: whole, certainty. Example sentence: the fact is there's a lot of money at stake here, a lot more than you probably realize. 9. Turbulence, noun, a state of confusion and disorganized change. Synonyms: instability, turmoil. Antonyms: calm, peace. Example sentence: the era was characterized by political and cultural turbulence. 10. Assassination, noun, murder of someone famous or important. Synonyms: killing, neutralize. Antonyms: revive, resurrect. Example sentence: they discovered a secret plot to assassinate the governor.